Now let us study about cell organelles. So students, a cell has to perform different functions with the help of cell organelles. These cell organelles are the subunits that are present inside the cell. These organelles help in different functions. For example, they synthesize various substances, they help in digestion of these substances, they secrete certain substances, they help to generate energy. So subcellular structures that has a specific function to perform are known as cell organelles, and these organelles carry out important activities in a cell. The various cell organelles that are present in a cell are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plasmid, and vacuoles. The first cell organelle that we are going to study about is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membranous structure that is found inside the cell. So this is a large network of membrane, bound tubes and sheets. It almost fills up the intercellular cavity of the cell. And this endoplasmic reticulum from the one end is connected to the nucleus, and the other end of this endoplasmic reticulum is connected with the plasma membrane. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum that are found in the cell. The first is rough endoplasmic reticulum and the next type is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Talking about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum contain ribosomes, which are the sites of protein synthesis, whereas the smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not contain these ribosomes on their surface, and that's why they appear smooth. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacturing of fat molecules or lipid. The functions of endoplasmic reticulum include the transport of materials between various regions of the cytoplasm, and endoplasmic reticulum also plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. The next important cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. It was first described by Camillo Golgi, and that's why they are known as Golgi apparatus. The Golgi body consists of membranes that are containing vesicles which are arranged parallel to each other, and these stacks are called as cisterns. In plants, these Golgi bodies are freely suspended and they are known as dictyosomes. Golgi bodies are absent in mammals in particular cells, that is mature sperm cells and RBCs. They are even absent in blue-green algae. The main function of Golgi body is the formation of complex sugar. It also helps in the formation of lysosomes, which are known as the suicidal bags of the cells. Further, these Golgi apparatus carries materials synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum to different parts of the cells. The next cell organelle is lysosome. They are also known as the cellular housekeepers. Lysosomes are single membrane vesicles that are present in the cell. They are the small spherical structures. They are responsible for cleaning the cell, and that's why they are also known as the garbage disposable system of the cell. These lysosomes can digest any foreign material such as food and bacteria. These lysosomes contain powerful enzymes which helps in clearing the waste material of the cell. Lysosomes are capable of digesting worn-out cell organelles with the help of these powerful enzymes only. These lysosomes have an important function to play in the cell, and why these lysosomes are called as the suicide bags of the cell. As we have studied that lysosomes are the garbage disposable system of the cell. If the cell's own material gets damaged, and lysosomes in that condition may burst, and then these powerful enzymes digest their own cells, and that's why lysosomes are termed as the suicide bags of the cells. The next important cell organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria are the organelles that are present inside the cells. These are double membrane organelles and are also known as the powerhouse of the cell, or they are also known as the energy currency of the cell, as they serves as the site for cellular respiration. Mitochondria is the energy currency of the cell because it generates ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, which are energy giving molecules of the cell. This mitochondria is a double membrane structure and the outer membrane is porous, that means it allows the movement of substances in and out of the cell organelle, and the inner membrane is deeply folded. You can see the structure of mitochondria in the diagram presented here. The next cell organelle is plastids. Plastids are absent in animal cells and they are present only in plant cells. Plastids are of three types. The first type is chromoplast, that is colored plastids. Next is leucoplast, that is white or colorless. And the third type of plastid is chloroplast, that is green and contain chlorophyll. Chloroplast have chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is the green pigment that is present in the cells. This green pigment present inside the cells helps in capturing of the sun's energy and thus further plays an important role in the process of photosynthesis, which is defined as the process of making food by the autotrophs, that is the green plants. The chromoplasts are responsible for giving color to fruits and flowers, whereas the leucoplast act as the storage part of the plastid. Next, the double membrane structure plastid has its own DNA and has ribosomes. That means it has the capacity to divide also. The next cell organelles are vacuoles. Vacuoles are the storage sacs for solid or liquid content. In plant vacuoles are generally bigger in size, whereas animal vacuoles are small sized. Vacuoles occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. These vacuoles, they are full of cell sap and they provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Vacuoles have amino acids and sugars stored in them. If we talk about amoeba, then in amoeba, these vacuoles contain food items that are consumed by the microorganism. So, in this chapter, we have studied that the body of living organisms is made up of cell, which is the smallest structural and functional unit for all the living organisms. These cells play an important role for the human body and for the animals also, for the plants also. The cells perform all the functions in the body with the help of subunits that are present in them that are known as cell organelles. We have studied about different cell organelles that performs different functions in the body of living organisms in cell. So here we end up with this chapter. Thank you.